Still reconciling Stripe fees in spreadsheets? You are missing your true payment costs. LeakGuard is Stripe native. One snapshot shows leakage across fees, refunds, disputes, and what to review first. Jump into refund analysis, dispute operations, or monthly close. Refund analysis surfaces fee leakage by market and payment method. Dispute operations rank due dates, at-risk amounts, and missing evidence. Open a case and the next best action is already clear. Monthly close becomes a guided workflow with checks and reconciled numbers. Then LeakGuard creates a shareable close pack for finance. No SQL, no spreadsheet stitching. See payment costs, review faster, and track what paid off. Install LeakGuard from the Stripe marketplace.